Okay, let's back up for what does Venus and Capricorn mean for now we're going to my earth signs. So Taurus, oh my goodness, how many I'm a Capricorn and I have so many Taurus homies or homies with heavy second house energy. This is good. No offense, Taurus. Like, y'all just a second sign. And, I always like to use this analogy sometimes when I'm explaining astrology to people. It's the maturity in terms of like Aries is newborn to age 7, and then Taurus is like age 7 to age 14. So, I remember I know this is what pulled me in. Oh yeah, this was actually quoted from Sextrology. Let me quote my sources. That's, even though it's like Sextrology, that is really a great book for astrology. There's a lot of gems in there. What I was saying, this would pull me in when they're like, oh, Capricorn represents like age 52 to 65. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's me, little old lady. Been a little old lady since I was a little girl. So I say all this to say, if Taurus is representative of age 7 to 14, basically adolescence, a teenager, Venus and Capricorn will kick the butt of that bull and give them a little bit of maturity. Which is good. Ooh, okay. Now the download's coming to me because I forgot my Tauruses right now are being shaken, not breaking. That was my Uranus and Taurus imitation, shaking, not breaking. But they are not enjoying. I love my Tauruses going through this transit. You good guys are not enjoying Uranus coming around and mucking up y'all nice, not boring, mundane, comfortable, key word with Taurus, comfortable life. Y'all all being shaken and not stirred. I can't remember what commercial that was. So y'all may enjoy Venus and Cap. I think this is a good boost. This is a good earth sign. Yes, this is a good earth sign, the earth sign blessing that Taurus will enjoy. And it may help stabilize them. And yes, I forgot, Venus is all about a boost to the self-worth. So Taurus is struggle with that. That's their sun sign evolution, where you need to kind of grow and heal with self-love, is where you have those Taurus parts in your chart. And I think Venus and Cap, even though, like I said, it's a little bit serious and somber, I think that Taurus will take in that earth and energy and use it as a nice boost from them being shaken around by their Uranus and Taurus transit. Next earth sign is Virgo. Yes. So I just feel like all the earth signs play together well. But the thing is, my Virgo people, like they already feel like they're the boss and the authority. And in some ways, let me say this as a Capricorn with Virgo friends, that can be kind of like tangled energy. I mean, y'all normally kind of work it out because I think, being honest, I think Capricorn can defer a little bit more, and in terms of flexibility, yes. Whereas Virgo is much more rigid, and Capricorn can be flexible because at the end of the day, they have the commonality of getting the job done. So what does this mean for, Venus and, I keep calling Virgos Venus. What does this mean for my Virgoians? Is that how we say that? My Virgoians, this Venus and Capricorn transit. I'm trying to think. I think that this is a transit for Virgo to I don't know, for some reason I'm experiencing like cleaning house. There's something that, yes, Virgo is at the end of the day what? Purity, Virgo the Virgin, which is like the purity before Persephone went down into Hades. So yeah, so there needs to be a cleansing of some sort of Virgo. And they're always good for sometimes, I feel like superficially, decluttering their house, but really are they addressing the habits that got the clutter there in the first place? And I think maybe Venus and Capricorn can provide that serious set of glasses for Virgo to try on and maybe actually examine their own wounds. Like I said, Venus is self-worth. Capricorn is karmic. I think that, again, this is another one. I can't remember which video where I was saying that I think this is a good transit for doing some transformational work. Because yes, the slowness of Venus in Capricorn, Virgo will enjoy that. Yeah, that's going to be a big win. Virgo has to go at its own pace. And I think, again, it just came full circle. The naturalness of Capricorn and Virgo is that Capricorn is more cardinal. Hello, it can be more changeable and adaptable for Virgo, and Virgo will like that. So whatever type of cleanup job, like I said, I don't know why intuitively I'm kind of hearing either home, and that could be fourth house. Fourth house can be the subconscious mind, could be your physical house, but there's definitely some inner work in terms of the psyche, because like I said, what's jumping out to me is Capricorn and Saturn being karmic. Okay, I'm about to just keep rolling. Hello, the last Earth sign is Capricorn. This is no matter how we want to look at it, this is a good transit for Capricorn, because we're going to have a lot of for me. So I've already experienced it, because like I said, I'm an early Capricorn. Sun conjunct Venus, beautiful. Depending on what house this could be a even better boost for you. I'll be experiencing soon Venus conjunct Mercury. Hopefully that will, allow me to continue flowing here with the YouTube videos. And again, that Venus by whatever personal planets you have in Capricorn will be conjunct. So, to me, it's, Venus, like a wand, but like hitting your sun, hitting your Mercury, hitting your Mars, hitting your, who am I leaving out? Oh yeah, even if you're I forget, I'm a Aquarius Venus, so some people, that's a good, nice sweet transit. Venus conjunct Venus. How often do you get that one? Pretty sweet. Yeah, so I think this is good. It is, again, dense energy, but no matter what, Capricorn, we need anything to help us feel good and help us build our self-worth, and Venus will deliver on that. Now, and I think, what Capricorn can expect from this transit is, definitely this is a time to examine the things that we love. This is, this is what just came to me. This is, again, Saturn is time. We're Capricorns, and Venus in Capricorn is to use our time to examine, a little bit kind of like with Virgo, but to examine the things that that Capricorns thrive with, which is career, to-do list, like I said, it's the reason why Capricorn start and begin the year. Why they end the year and start the year is because, those are the endpoints where like, oh, I want to just clean the house before New Year's hit. Or some people are like, okay, it's New Year's, I want to get my stuff together. This is a 5-month time period of those endpoint energies being extended, where we need to get our stuff together because we're being prepared for something bigger. And like I said, we're going to be experiencing those conjunctions of Venus and Pluto in Capricorn conjuncting, like I said, at least your sun sign, maybe your Mercury. That's big. I forgot. Yeah, when you add in that Pluto energy, you got to be ready. Capricorn is being prepared for something bigger than what we expect, but we have to make room for it. Saturn squeezes, and I think with there's another intuitive hit I'm getting. We may have to cut the cord on some projects or some things, or maybe even people that we love, and let and clean it off, because it's kind of like replace, like I'm fine to replace, like a cut and a paste, meaning that something will replace it that will be better. So if you do find yourself, just clearing away, I think that's a good thing, because definitely after we get through that last, what was that, like after, after March 3rd, when we had that final Venus conjunct Pluto, we'll know what's going to be there, what we may manifest. I think, that's what I'm kind of hearing. Something big we're going to either manifest, or it's going to be something that we don't expect. Yes, Pluto is surprises. Yeah, so that's okay, now I'm getting it. That's why we need to make room. But I think definitely this is just my own, what I will be doing during this 5 month is top to bottom, financial review. It's actually been a while. I am definitely one who writes their goals down, and it's been a while since I've kind of done that. And, I think my 5-year plan actually expired. I think it expired like in my early 40s, and like my whole trajectory on my career has changed, because we're also Capricorns, we're benefit of receiving what I can't remember if it might be a trine, experiencing that trine of Uranus and Taurus, which I've been loving. I know my Taurus is, I apologize earlier, I don't want to be shaken up, but I think it's good. It's providing nice gentle surprises in terms of Capricorn also not being so perplexed in tunnel vision. But yeah, right now with Venus, and then I actually want to say, a little bit warning for, Capricorn not to get too somber, when it comes to holding on to things. In this case, like I said, I think Venus is trying to teach us to, do our reviews, release, let go, and make space for new things coming that we don't expect.